Hello everyone, welcome back to CMME Made Easy, and I hope you all are doing very well. Before we begin, let me remind my dear students that the contents of this channel are only to supplement your knowledge, not to replace the regular online and offline classes in your institution. So please attend your classes and do not miss them. Also, if you like our contents, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the videos and share these videos with your friends, with your batchmates, with your juniors. Also, if you are a teacher, then with your students. Please follow our Facebook page and the link will be given in the description. In this video, we shall learn how we can calculate standard deviation using Microsoft Excel. There are different measures of dispersion, but the most commonly used or frequently used measure of dispersion is the standard deviation. It is often defined as root mean square deviation because this is how we calculate the standard deviation manually. Standard deviation or SD is often denoted by Greek letter sigma. The formula that we can use for calculating standard deviation is root over summation of xi minus x bar whole square divided by n, where xi is the individual value in the given dataset, x bar is the mean value of these observations, and n is the sample size. When the sample size is small, that is less than 30, we use n by 1 rather than n in the denominator. So this becomes the formula when the sample size is less than 30. But today we shall learn how to calculate this standard deviation not using the formula but using Microsoft Excel. That is a commonly used software and also available in almost any device. So let us do the exercise using the same example. We have 30 patients here. Their HbA1c level, fasting sugar level and postprandial sugar level are given, and we want to know what is the standard deviation of these individual variables. We have to select the space or the cell where we want to get the result. So HbA1c, we have to select only one cell. We start by typing equal to sign, then we type STDEV, that means standard deviation, and all these prompts are available from which I shall select the STDEV S. Double click on it and the first bracket will start. So this is the standard deviation for sample, since we are using a sample. And then we type the first cell just like previous examples, that is the B2 colon sign and B31, that is the last cell for this value. We end the bracket and we press the enter sign and we shall get this result. Now there are lots of values after the decimal, so we shall only stick up to the second decimal value. So we have 0.97, that is the standard deviation for the HbA1c level for these 30 patients. Similarly, here also we shall do the same thing for fasting sugar, equal to sign STDEV, and the prompt is already there. We tick on it. The first cell is C2 colon sign, the last cell is C31, bracket ends and equal to sign. We select the value and we get it up to the second decimal. So 36.01 is the standard deviation for the fasting sugar level. For postprandial sugar level, equal to sign STDEV dot S, bracket starts D2, the first cell, colon sign D31, the last cell, bracket ends and equal to sign 65.57. That is the standard deviation for the postprandial sugar level in these 30 patients. So that is how we calculate the standard deviation using Microsoft Excel. So let us summarize here. To find the standard deviation of a given data set using Microsoft Excel, we need to type the comment, and the comment is, we start with the equal sign, then we type STDEV dot S, that means standard deviation dot S, start the first bracket, we give the name of the first cell, colon sign, give the name of the last cell, bracket ends, and then we press the enter button. That should give us the standard deviation. With this, we conclude today's session. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and share this video with your batchmates, juniors and friends. We also have a Facebook page that you can follow. The link is given in the description. Take care and we shall see you in our next video.